Hi you guys, welcome to Momming to Fit, where we make healthy recipes that you and your family will love. I just wanted to get on here really quick and share a recipe with you guys because I'm trying something new and I thought, this is probably going to be really good and I should share what I'm doing really quick. So I wanted to just show you guys my pan here. I'm trying a new tilapia recipe. I kind of just threw this together. So as you can see, I have some tilapia fillets on top of aluminum foil with mushrooms, bell peppers, and onions on top of the tilapia. I also use some avocado oil. Let me show you guys. This is what I've been using lately. It's avocado oil, and to me it's turning out just like olive oil, but it tastes a lot better. I haven't gained any weight from eating this, even though it's fatty. It's healthy fat, so I haven't done anything differently with the servings or anything like that. I'm just cooking with this instead. This costs like $8 at Walmart, but it has lasted me about a month. It lasts me a really long time. It is 25.4 ounces. So that's another tip. And then all I did was season the fish with salt, pink sea salt. It's the kind of salt that I use, pepper, and thyme. So I'm going to throw this in the oven, come back and show you guys what it looks like. I think it's going to be really delicious. I'm debating on whether or not I should cover it. I'm not going to cover it, so we'll see. It's going in the oven on 375 for 25 minutes. So I'll come back and show you guys. Alright you guys, so the tilapia is about to be done any second now. I'm just waiting for the timer to ring, and then I'm going to take it out of the oven and show you guys how beautiful it is. I know it's beautiful because it smells really good, and you know when food smells good, it tastes good. So are you guys ready? Let's see what our tilapia looks like. There's the timer. Let's see. I'm gonna take it out. Don't look in my kitchen. It's a mess. No, I have a workout today, so no time for cleaning, but there's time for cooking. It smells so amazing. Look at that. You guys see? Beautiful. Sizzling. So this is gonna be amazing. I cooked it on 375 for 25 minutes. That's all it took to make this. And then I have some big baked potatoes. So that's gonna be really delicious, and everybody's gonna be very happy. Probably throw maybe some more vegetables. My kids had junk already, so hopefully they eat. But I'll see you guys next time for another recipe, and I'm also doing Facebook Live workouts on Momming to Fit, the group, not the page. I always share recipes on the page, so this recipe will also be there, and on Pinterest. Bye guys.